dear students, welcome to your Kundu tutorial. So today myself Navonita Kundu and I have come with some important points regarding that chapter circulation in heart. First of all, we need to know some important points which will be needed for solving the MCQs. So here are some important points I have attached in this video. So now we will not waste our time. So we need to focus on the MCQ, and this MCQ it will be very much important for your NEET examination also. First question, it is given as mammalian heart is neurogenic, myogenic, diegenic, none of the above. Answer, it will be myogenic. The second question is the granulocyte are first option acidophil, lymphocytes, monocytes, none of these. First option, it will be the correct answer. Third question, the largest corpuscle in the blood is basophil, acidophil, monocyte, lymphocyte. What is the answer, students? Yes, you are right only, that monocyte. Okay. Question number 4, thrombokinase is produced in RBC, WBC, blood vessels, blood platelets. So what is the answer? Can you guess? It will be the blood platelets, because due to the blood clotting, the blood platelets is needed. The chief difference between the erythrocytes of man and frog is human erythrocytes have more hemoglobin, human erythrocytes have less hemoglobin, human erythrocytes have no nuclei, human erythrocytes have more nuclei. What is the answer, guys? The answer, it will be human erythrocyte. They don't have any type of nuclei to carry the hemoglobin. Okay. Now you come to the question number 6. In mammals, the opening of the post canal in the right auricle is guarded by mitral valve, that Thievaceous valve, Eustachian valve, tricuspid valve. What is the answer? The answer, it will be Eustachian valve, that option number C. Question number 7. The volume of the blood present in an adult human is 1 liter, 5 liter, 2 liters and option D 10 liters. The answer, it should be the 5 liters. Yes, you are correct only, option B 5 liters. Question number 8. The instrument used for measuring blood pressure is known as ECG, stethoscope, sphygmomanometer and last EEG. What is the answer? It is very easy and you know that already. Sphygmomanometer, it is the instrument which we are using for the blood pressure measurement. Question number 9 is the heart murmur of heart is due to option A coronary thrombosis, option B defective leady valve, option C arterial pulse and option D under the developed atrium. What is the answer? It will be the defective leady valve. That is why the heart murmur of the heart, it is audible. Question number 10, thromboplastin is produced by damaged tissues, blood platelets, both A and B and last prothrombin. What is the answer? Answer, it will be both damaged tissue and the blood platelets. So answer, it will be the C. Number 11. The thin membrane around the heart is myocardium, pericardium, pleural membrane, parietal peritoneum. What is the answer, students? Answer, it will be, and you are correct only, pericardium. So whenever you are solving the question, at that time you also notice the time, how much time you are taking to solve the minimum type of the question. Okay. Question number 12, 3 important proteins present in the blood are collagen, albumin, fibrinogen, albumin, globulin active, albumin, collagen, albumin, globulin, fibrinogen. Question number 12, answer is, it will be the D, albumin, globulin, fibrinogen. It is the main proteins which are present in our blood system. Question number 13, QRS wave in ECG represents auricular systole, ventricular systole, ventricular diastole, end of the ventricular systole. So what is the answer? Answer, it should be the ventricular systole. Okay. Question number 14, from here also you need to know very much, you need to give the focus, what is the systole and what is the diastole. For this you need to know the structure of the heart, and the link of this video I have posted in the description box, guys. You can see from this the description box. Question number 14 we will solve right now. Which protein helps in disease resistance? Albumin, fibrinogen, globulin, both A and B. What it should be? No, both A and B it will be not, it will be the globulin. Question number 15, the last question for today. Play an important role in allergic reaction by neutrophil, lymphocytes, basophils, monocyte. Question number 15, it should be basophils. Okay, so guys, this is the first set of the circulation of the human heart. So if this video will be helpful for you for the NEET examination and other purpose also, that competitive exam, don't forget to give the like button and don't forget to share this video with your classmates, also get benefited through you. And those who are watching this video but still now you have not subscribed my channel, please go for the subscription. We will get also the motivation from you. In the next video we will be discussing about the second set of the circulation. Basically I am focusing the NEET examination because the NEET examination it will be on front of the door. Okay students, again we will meet on the next video. Still that you stay tuned with this video, and thank you all of you. Be happy, stay safe and have a good day.